Hi there, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this DFY Video Agency or Done For You Video Agency review. Now for those of you out there who are looking to get into this whole agency thing, you know, the social media marketing agency was really big a couple years ago. Still money to be made in that. This is a little bit different, but the same kind of concepts apply, is that this is an all-in-one package that allows you to set up your own video agency. Now you might be thinking, well, I'm horrible at editing videos, I don't have Final Cut Pro, I don't want to pay $400 for that. How am I going to be a video agency? So this is an out-of-the-box video agency with everything you need to start your agency, client accounts, sales materials, but you're also getting three free pieces of software that are they're very easy to use with full training included, that are going to help you basically be able to create videos really easily using pre-made templates on things like YouTube, Instagram stories, or whatever you want. So today we're going to take a deep dive into Done For You Video Agency, and as well as that, I've also gotten you some great bonuses that I've handpicked that I thought would go along with it really well. So before we get into all of that, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification if you want to be updated with new products coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, if at any time you want to skip ahead and just check out everything on your own, make sure you first go through the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the Done For You Video Agency official sales page. What that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will lock in these bonuses before sending you off to the sales page. And if you do decide to buy it, you'll not only get Done For You Video Agency, but you'll get all these bonuses along with it in a big bundle, a big package, exclusively through my bonus page. First bonus in there is YouTube Authority, the latest version. Now, if you're going to create videos, you want to maybe get them seen quicker, you want to know how to rank them, especially if you're using YouTube. You know, it's really the only platform that you can make, you know, passive income from videos on. So this goes into everything YouTube. Most important things are how to rank your videos, how to optimize your videos so that they are searchable. Good thing about YouTube compared to a blog or a video page or anything like that is that they rank immediately, even if you have a brand new account, 0 subscribers. There's none of this like waiting game that you have to play with Google on a blog. So video, definitely worth getting into. Bonus number 2, similar kind of thing, but this is Instagram marketing secrets. So one of the pieces of software in Done For You Agency is Story, which is going to help you to create really cool looking Instagram stories. Obviously you can put any video on Instagram, so this goes into really, you know, you've got the tools to create really good Instagram videos, okay? This goes into really how to use Instagram, okay? There's more to it than just uploading videos. There's, you know, getting them seen, hashtagging, all kinds of stuff. Bonus number 3 is Video Marketing Profit Kit. So this is gonna go into how to create marketing videos, basically how to set them up, a little bit on copywriting and how to speak and how to sell, which is probably my favorite part of this product. And really, if you want to create video landing pages similar to this one, this goes into that as well, teaches you everything about setting up these video marketing pages that, you know, they're just super effective. Bonus number 4 is how to make money on Fiverr. Now, you might not want to make money on Fiverr, but it's a great place to find and get started and find clients. If you're a video agency, there are people out there, because making videos is a certain task that a lot of people don't want to do on their own, and they're doing well in their business already, so they're willing to pay people to make their social media content. You're going to find people like that on there. It's going to teach you about Fiverr and how to be successful on Fiverr, but there's so much crossover with Upwork and Legit and all these other freelancer platforms that even though it's about Fiverr, if you can do Fiverr, you can do the other ones. They basically work in the same way, and I just threw this in there because I think it's a great way to get your feet wet with your agency. Maybe take on some low cost projects to help you, you know, get started a little bit, but still making a little bit of money. And then when you get your confidence up, you know, you're going to have more recommendations, more stars or whatnot, and you can then go towards charging higher ticket. Bonus number 5 is the vendor has hooked me up with their bonus vault to give to you. So really quickly, we've got their bonus vault here. Webinar Mastery, Consulting Mastery, which is a great product as well, especially if you're an agency. With agencies, you always end up doing a little bit of consulting. Video ads formula. We've got writing script formula for video ads, how to collect leads inside video ads, ultimate guide to video marketing, growth marketing hacks for small business owners. That's you. Personal branding secrets, high-paying client acquisition cheat sheet. So great products here on lead gen, which is where most people get stuck. 150 free online marketing tools, 400 power words to transform your marketing strategy today. So the emphasis really is, along with products that I've put in my bonus pack, is learning how to speak that triggers emotions in people. Okay, super important. We've got advanced copywriting formula, again, the written word, selling via the written word, and influencer scripts. So again, a lot in there, my own bonuses and their bonuses on, you're creating the videos for people, you've got the tools in Done For You Video Agency, but then it's like, how do you use the tools? So all the bonuses you can see are reflecting, the actual process of selling, which is, a lot of fun in my opinion. So you're gonna have it all. You're gonna have the background knowledge of how to sell and create effective videos and make the best videos, and you've got the tools to do it easily without being some, genius video editor. So if that all sounds good to you, step one, link in the description. You go to the bonus page, click on these green buttons, that will send you off to the sales page, which looks like this, and I would recommend going through this in your own time, checking out demos, and I think there's some testimonials on there, and just seeing it in detail so you can see if it's right for you. There's also some little demos here of certain videos that you can create and some templates that are on offer in each of the video platforms that you're getting. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt that looks like this. Under the green button will be Done For You Video Agency. Under the blue button, all the bonuses I just talked about. So really easy. Keep your eye on the countdown timer though, because this is a launch week special. It's all dependent on this countdown timer. So if it is on 0, they will be all gone. If there is still time, you still have time. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price, basically. So without further ado, let's get into seeing the demo and seeing what you can expect.
Now, as soon as you log in, you're gonna see your software dashboard right here, okay? There's different software solutions and video builders that you can get access to here. But the cool thing is you're actually going to get reseller rights, okay? This is what makes this unique, and a full-blown reseller panel where you can actually add clients, delete clients, and so forth. So I want to show you that, and then I'm going to demonstrate to you some of the marketing material as well. So if you go with the main offer, you're going to get these 3 proven video builders, okay? Vidilligence, which specializes in e-commerce videos, Vindictive specializes in animated videos, and Story specializing in video ads and Instagram videos, okay? But the cool thing is, not only will you get to use them, but you can then resell them directly with our reseller master panel, okay? If you click here on get started, it's gonna take you straight to the setup process, okay? As you can see here, it says Vidilligence, add a Vidilligence client. And then here you can add the name, last name, email, password, and then you can even send a custom invite message and you can customize it, okay? Now, the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna add your own information, your own name, your own email, because that way you're gonna get login information and you can actually go ahead and use each of these tools for your own business if you want to do so. After that, if you want to set up clients manually, after you charge them a monthly fee or a one-time fee, you just add them right here, you click on submit, and they're going to get a welcome email with their password and username, and then they can log into the dashboard themselves and use the software and create their own videos, and you can charge them a monthly fee for that. So you can literally resell each of these software tools to clients directly, or you can obviously charge per video, however you want to do your business model, okay? But this is the reseller panel right here. It's really simple. If I go back here to the dashboard, I can click here on get started, okay? And there is a get started walkthrough video that walks you through the members area. And if I go back here to the dashboard, let's say I want to add some clients to my Story software app right here, I can do that right here. Now, the other cool thing is payment integration is set up for you, okay? Automated client creation is also set up for you, and a couple other cool things. But one thing I want to point out right away is here marketing material, okay? This is a big deal. If you click here on marketing material, just like that, you can now download your banner ads, you download your Facebook ads, your sales page, your email swipes, and generic video sales letter. You're gonna get all of this included. And I just wanna show you really quick the quality, okay? So for example, if you look at some of the ads that our graphics designer did for you, okay? Here's some of the Facebook ads, for example, for Vidilligence, okay? I'm gonna click through here. These are all done by our professional graphics designer. You can download them and you can immediately start running Facebook ads to your liking at your convenience. As you can see here, they're all professionally done. If I go back here and I click on the actual banner ads, just to show you, with these right here, you can actually run Google AdWords ads, okay? They're all gonna help you to actually attract clients. So as you can see, just give you a couple different examples here. This is all high quality. These all the different dimensions, everything is done for you, okay? Now the generic video sales letter, okay, this is pretty cool. Check this out. I'm gonna stop speaking here for a moment. I just wanna show you how powerful this is. This is a professional animated video sales letter that you can use to resell the software. Check out the quality really quick with me. So as you can see, a full-blown animated video sales letter, these are very expensive to do. You're gonna get that included and you can use it. Now, everything that I'm showing you, you get for each software. This is a sales page that you also gonna get. I just wanna show you how professional it is. We hired a copywriter, a web designer, a graphics designer. You can see here we have graphics, we have testimonials that you can leverage, you know, actual happy clients that gave testimonials for the individual tools. You can leverage them. Video testimonials, you can see here some cool graphics, design, everything is very, very professional. Even a teaser video, we have animated GIFs right here, demo video, all of this is ready for you. You can just download the sales page and you're gonna be good to go. And remember, you get this for each of the tools, not just for one of them, but for each of them. Okay, just want to show you that. Then also, what does it say here in the marketing material? If you look here at email swipes, if you click on this button right here, it's gonna take you to our pre-written email swipes for you. I have them right here. So as you can see, we have subject lines for you, and then we have professionally written copy for you as well. This is one email right here. Then if you want to do a webinar email, if you want to do a affiliate email, it's up to you however you want to sell it, but we give you professionally written and proven email swipes and subject line ideas that you can use. Okay, so you can literally just copy and paste all these emails that we create for you into your autoresponder, Aweber, MailChimp, whatever it is that you use, and you're gonna be good to go. You don't have to write any email from scratch yourself. Okay, so this is just some of the cool stuff that you're gonna get. Everything is pre-done. It's ready for you to download. You just go to the dashboard, you click on one of these software tools right here, you click on marketing material, and you're gonna be good to go. Okay, now later on, there's going to be an option for you to actually also upgrade to white label. So we have a white label panel here as well. This is going to allow you to even upload your own logo, to customize the members area, and you can literally sell the software under your name and brand. I'm very excited about that one as well. This is going to be an upgrade option for you later in the funnel, okay? But this right here is the main dashboard. Depending on which offer you take, later on there's going to be more software solutions here that you can actually resell with a reseller panel. But if you just go with the main offer that you're seeing on this page right now, you get Vidaligence, Vindictive, and Story. You can use them obviously for your own business. You can resell them directly, which means you have your own software business from scratch, okay? You can resell them and you have your own SaaS business or software business as a service where you can charge, a monthly fee, you can charge continuity income, recurring revenue, a one-time fee that's up to you, and then you can add clients, manage clients, and you can do all of that. Now, the reseller panel, if I click here, once you added some clients and you click here on manage client, okay, I can then go ahead here and I can then manage them. Now, obviously, this is a demo account, so I don't have any clients in here, but after you add them, you can see here, it's gonna show you the first name, last name, all of your clients gonna be listed here, and then you can go ahead and you can add more clients, or you can delete them, or you can manage them, okay, and maybe resend them the login information, things like that. We have some bonuses here right now where you have your account. We promise you SMTP settings. If you wanna set up your own email client, you can do that as well. The support link is right here. Everything is ready. All you have to do is just log in and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about creating software from scratch. You don't have to worry about finding developers or coders. You don't have to worry about server speed or upgrades. We've done it all for you. And besides that, you don't have to worry about the marketing because we give you the Facebook ads, the banner ads, the email. We even give you the sales page, all the graphics, and even the sales video and the teaser video as well. So That's the package. I think we delivered on everything that we promised. You can get everything right now during this launch special for just one low investment for all three of the tools. If you work with clients, if you're an agency, a local marketer, if you like the idea of making money online, I think this is a great way to get started, because now you can deliver great video results for your clients with confidence, or you can just sell the software directly, okay? That wraps up the demo.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on Done For You Video Agency. It's out of the box, all in one package, really, really cool. Before we close out the video, again, in my description, just here you can see what to expect during the buying process. So the front end is basically everything you just saw there. So on my bonus page, you can read out on exactly what you're getting. There is an upgrade, white label upgrade, where you're getting extra white label rights that you can sell on to other people. Upgrade 2 is Done For You Video Agency Template Club. So for one time, you're getting access to just way more templates if you even want to save time on creating video. Upgrade number 3 is Done For You Video Agency Unlimited. Unlimited reseller licenses and 3 white label tools installed in the members area. Go through here if you want to some extra additional platforms, you can get them in that upgrade. Upgrade 4, agency speak resellers one time. You get resellers package for the Speak video app. In this upgrade, you'll be able to sell, again, more software and keep those profits. So really just go through and figure out which ones you want. Now, I will say that you do only need the front end to get the bonuses that we talked about before. So don't think you need the upgrade. The upgrades are really just for, you know, if you're established or you want to go down a certain route, if you've got certain ideas, then just go with whatever you think, okay? So when you take into consideration, you're getting all the bonuses, and it's just, you can get that with the front end. There's just so much value on here for that price. If you do have questions or problems or concerns, drop them in the comments, hit me up on email, social media. I reply to everybody. If not, enjoy Done For You Video Agency, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.